delicious cupcakes today. Oh, it's dessert day. Freshly baked chocolate cupcakes. Chocolate with white vanilla icing. They're so delicious. Look at it. Sprinkled with rainbow sprinkles. Delicious. I love how my wife puts the frosting on the cupcakes. Let's watch her. It's very satisfying. Look at that. She squeezes the tube. Makes a beautiful swirl. You can just taste that sugary goodness. And let's add some rainbow sprinkles. Oh, hear that? Crunchy sprinkles. Hear it? Oh, look at that. Oh, listen to that. And there you have a homemade, freshly baked, mini, fun-size chocolate cupcake with rainbow sprinkles. That is a favorite. Delicious. I think we're going to have to test one of those. We just have to eat one. Let's try it. And then we're going to go to my favorite. Let's taste this one first. You can see both, and then you can compare yourself. See what you might like the best. Here we go. Yummy. Yummy, yummy goodness. They're bite-sized. Delicious. Now, we're gonna go to my favorite. I like. This is my secret weapon. Whipped cream. You'll love it. Watch this. Here we go. Oh, look at that. I think it's missing something. Do you see something on the plate that we might use? I see it. It's kind of hiding behind it, but I think you can see it. Where do you think it might be? I think it's... yes, I found it. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Is that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Look at that. It's just waiting for me to deliciously eat this super delicious chocolate cupcake. Let's try it. I think this is what we call one biter. I think I can eat the whole thing in one bite. What do you think? You want to watch me? Pinch this off the top. Well, that's not going to work. Let's try this. Here we go. Chocolatey goodness. And of course, sometimes if no one's looking, don't look, my wife. Don't look. Turn away. Thank you. Yeah, look at that bird over there. Look at that. Oh, that's a beautiful bird. What? I didn't see anything. I saw nothing. That was good. You want to try another one?
Yeah.
Do you want whipped cream? Yeah. Oh, see, she's coming to my side. She's coming to the whipped cream. See, I told you. Secret weapon. Let's try another one. Look at that. And a cherry on top. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Is that beautiful? So beautiful. You better eat that quick because if you don't, I'm going to eat it. Oh, you do it. I think you can do it one biter.
Yeah.
All in one. You can do it. Peel the wrapper back. Open up. Look how moist it is. Those cakes are delicious. Delicious. Oh, look. One cherry left. We can't leave that cherry on the plate. Well, I guess I'll just have to eat it. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Secret weapon. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's eat it. There's so many left. I wish I could give one to each of you out there watching. We could all enjoy it together. I think this is going to be another delicious. Let's go for it. I think we can go with one bite. What do you think? What do you think?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Go for it. Wow, you did it. You did.
So good. Oh, that was delicious. Well, my friends, that's our dessert for today. Delicious, homemade, chocolate, bite-sized cupcakes. You can try different kinds of toppings too. There's many to choose from. You be creative and come up with some of your own. I know you can come up with some really fun things. Thanks for joining us again today. We appreciate your time that you spend with us. And we hope that you have a wonderful day or an evening wherever you are in the world. Thanks again for coming to our channel. We really do appreciate it. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.